Sorry about that. That's bad.
Actually, we're good. We're good. Yeah, we're good. All right. Good morning, chat. Welcome.
Morning, everyone.
Say hello
Howdy.
to Nimkins, Palmetto, Dave.
Hello.
Let me open up the stream on YouTube so I can read the chat.
Morning, Savvy.
Yeah,
Morning,
sure,
Motivation
sure.
Healing. Morning, Phil. Morning, Martin. Morning, Daniel. Albu, you're always nice and early. Welcome. I appreciate you, guy. So, guys, how we feeling today?
So tired.
Good.
It's such a long week.
Wait, did you ask something? I had the stream noise in the back.
I was about to say, you guys were so talkative prior to the stream. We get on stream and everything's just dead silence.
Yes, Martin, I am depressed. I don't like where we are in the market. I think it's going to be a boring day. DJP said he's going to take triple the amount of trades that he normally takes
Right.
for the rest of us.
Full leverage,
Awesome.
max leverage. Max
Max
leverage.
bidding.
Sanders has been sitting there for 2 hours waiting. All right, you need to get a life, Sanders. If you've been sitting here for 2 hours.
Make sure all
And
your
that's-
guys' volumes.
We could barely hear Nims. That's the way. That was planned that way.
Yeah, that was planned. I've just been muted.
What, really? No, you should be able to hear Nims. He's loud in my ears.
Yeah, loud in mine too.
I
Loud
know.
Can't hear
in
me.
Loud in English.
It's that
I
gaming
was gonna
headset that he's got. That's what it is.
What is wrong?
I'm telling you. The gaming
You want me
head-
to mess with things? You want me to mess with
No,
things
no,
now?
no, no, no,
Yeah.
no.
All right.
I'll just
That's
do the
a pretty
adjustments
down.
on my end.
It's better now. Better now, apparently.
Yeah, I just turned you way up.
Okay.
Oh, great.
So now you're
Yeah.
blaring in my ears.
How much
That's
did you
perfect.
at Nims so that you be louder than the rest of us?
Yeah. Well, the gaming headset makes him sound like he's, you know how you tell people they sound like they're in a submarine? That's what the gaming headset does for the audience, for you, Nims.
Does it?
Yeah. Yeah, you sound like you're in a
Okay.
submarine.
Okay.
Well, what
I
we were talking about
mean-
earlier, I wouldn't be surprised if we retraced down the move from.
He needs a Princess Crown
the
headset,
election.
Sanders said.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's talk markets here.
Yeah, we got about a minute to open. I wouldn't be surprised for a retrace down. It typically wants to do that after a big run up. I know Nims, you were saying, well, who's going to sell up here? I think profit taking is definitely going to happen, even with the rate cut.
I
Yeah, that got like surprisingly little movement.
know.
I mean, my theory is the market's so greedy that any dip will be bought up.
Yeah, that's also
Yeah, yeah.
probably on the table. That's why I was looking. So I have on the YM, we're like trading into it right now. We're pushing overnight highs as we go, but anything back below 43,950, and I really like the rotation down to 43,900 ish and a little below. And then kind of the same deal on the ES. Anything above the overnight highs that we fail to hold, I like the rotation back down to like 59.90. I don't see much for me to get involved with on the NQ or the
Oh.
Russell.
Morning, Martin. Morning, Rava.
You know what? Because of
morning,
Albu, I
Scott,
traded
morning,
the
Fletcher.
Russell for the first time yesterday. I made money off of it. It was awesome.
Did you ignore somebody on purpose there, Nimkins? I'm seeing the
No, I didn't see it. I said morning.
the
to everyone
cheeky
who's in the
grin
chat.
on your face. I see who's there. I see who's there and who you're blatantly ignoring right now. Good morning, Phoenix.
Right, market
Oh, I didn't see that.
is open. Look at this. That's the
Look at us
Um,
pump.
On NQ, guys, I realize all-time highs are up here, but my level's actually 21,200 to 21,020. I'm gonna leave it there because I don't want to be shorting until price is holding below 21,200 for me.
I agree with that.
So I'm gonna leave my level there.
Look at
Look at the greedy bar. Look at them.
That's right, Albu. I made money on the Russell yesterday.
We do have Michigan sentiment at
That's
10
an
o'clock
interesting product.
Eastern, so in about a half an hour. So just be on alert.
The Russell, the night of the election, was up like 5% or something outrageous. Kind of interesting.
It got close to a circuit breaker. It was
Yeah.
like 30 points away.
How small caps were flying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and small. From
Moonshot.
what I've read, small caps for this, going forward now, could be the play.
From what you've
Uh,
read, so Aldo.
Yeah.
Oh.
Albu. No. I mean,
Says
I read it. But I read it somewhere else, and then I saw Albu's
Okay.
post, and it was
Yeah.
like,
They do. I feel it's been
what I read from Albu. Yeah, that's one-
over
that's one source.
pushed how well they're going to do.
Small caps?
I mean, I don't know. I've invested in it, and I think it's a bit mid.
I got no clue either.
It's
I
very
don't-
choppy.
ES looks a
I've
little
never
bit
really
better.
watched
YM,
Russell.
Nah, I put a bit of money and things in there, and I just kind of got to the conclusion I would have just been better just putting that money in the S&P.
Good morning, Jack.
Yeah. I'd be interested in the
Jack.
YM short because it's back below overnight highs, but the amount of excess we left, I mean, that was like 978 to 040. That's like 60
Yeah,
ticks.
looks-
Kind of a lot. It's a lot of risk. Russell looks decent, trying to hold up above overnight lows, value area low on the overnight so far.
Sorry, my cat's attacking me.
So, Palm, you said to me the other day that you've gone back to time-based candlesticks, correct? Instead of range
I
chart?
did.
Okay.
I did. Sorry, Savvy.
Not that we
It's
trade
just
based
gonna-
on time, but
I do.
I think you need to do what you're comfortable with. I know
trade
you.
based
I
on
know,
time.
Dave. You trade based on anything, any excuse you can find to get into the market. You get in.
Fletcher agrees. Oh wow, 5 went over. I'm long.
I'm
Sure.
long the Russell from long 2 RTY from 88.5.
What happened to that sell-off you were predicting, Dave?
Yeah.
Yeah, wait, what?
Dave's like, I'm thinking this. We're gonna sell off. I'm long.
Yeah. You think these greedy people are not going to keep buying this market up?
True enough. Listen, I told you my level. If it can get above 210 and hold, I like longs.
Yeah, I like longs a lot more right now than shorts. Until we start like getting below overnight lows on a lot of like most of the indexes, I think longs are probably the play.
I mean, it's a 5-minute big order block. It holds above that. That's a change in state of delivery. Fletcher knows what I'm talking about.
Let's go.
Away we go. I wish I'd have got in now, but I'm trying to exhibit patience because you guys always call me names. I'm trying to.
You
Hey,
got,
yeah,
the
yeah,
rock-
that was-
you've
that was
got
a
the
lot.
rock sitting there.
Yeah, Dave. I would like to congratulate your patience. You took a full 3 minutes from market open to
Yeah,
place your
that's
first
true.
trade today.
That's true.
Thank you, Fletcher. CSID to the moon is correct.
Well, he
Who
typed
knows?
CISD. Is it CSID?
Oh, sorry, CISD.
Mm.
No, it's CSID. Well, it's in CIS. But, no, I mean, you get a change in state of delivery. you
Palm,
bet.
Savvy's asking, is there a reason you did so? You went back from range charts back to time-based candlesticks.
Oh yeah, sorry, Savvy. Yeah, it's probably not a phenomenal reason because I still like range charts, but I switched up and I'm looking at multiple, like I'm looking at each of the indexes, and I want to have a view of value area as well as the overnight all in like one thing. So the 5-minute chart lets me do that. Like I can look at a 5-minute, zoom out a little bit and see everything we've done since we opened last night at 6 versus a range chart like would probably be a little bit too noisy. I don't know if
I'm
that's
long.
like, I don't know if that makes sense. It makes sense to me. I don't know if that makes sense to anyone else.
Just allows more to keep everything in view on your screen. Like, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, it's just
I
more
gotcha.
concise.
Yeah.
I still like the way that range charts display price. I know I could use both, but I'm also limited on screen real estate. So like I have all 4 of these charts on the same screen. Like I'm using one screen to trade. So if I had 2 screens, I would be interested in kind of separating things out a little bit. But for now, because I'm a little bit limited on that, I rocking with this. I'm just using a 5-minute and a 30-minute, and then the daily to get an idea of like where we are on the higher time frames.
Have you
That's
asked the CEO if you're allowed a second screen in the budget?
I haven't brought that up. I'm out of my first contract on the Russell, and the
I'm
second
long.
one's going break even. Hopefully, we get the rotation to overnight highs.
Where are you long from, Dave? I took a long
Well-
from 205.
Yeah, mine
And
original
I'm
was
out.
213, and and I moved my stop up too quick, so now I'm back into 217. I'm gonna let it breathe now. It may come back and take me out, which is fine. I'm not break even. I'm gonna let it breathe. I've got to stop a little bit lower.
Well, Toast, what are you
If it
doing?
comes back down, I might add actually.
By what, Albu? Are you sending me a link?
Okay, now I'm gonna move up.
Just send it in Discord. Either DM me or yeah.
All right, we're gonna go break even. Only 5 micros.
Wow, the Dow actually kind of flipped down. That's kind of wild. Cool.
I took 2 off at 10 points. Just to get, I think we go. I've got a target up here at first take profit is 243 if you can get there.
Excellent, sir.
Dave's loving the 5 micros scale in, scale out thing. It allows him to click away more buttons.
It sure does.
Don't forget the scale out and then start the pyramid scheme once he's scaled out and add back in.
Oh, you know that it's ready.
It's a video game over there.
You know it. I don't like what it.
Yeah, Martin, Nvidia did join the Dow today. It is listed on the Dow. It's only got 2% weight though, I believe.
All right, have we got a moment of mourning that we're gonna have? Should I have worn black today for the Dow?
No excuses, bro. It's like a $1,500 monitor.
Is it really? What, ultra wide?
Yeah, Samsung Odyssey Neo GN95.
Yeah.
How wide is this?
Yeah.
57 inches. Awesome. I'm on German Amazon.
What is it, an OLED as well?
Probably. I don't even see the price, but I've seen these before. I know they're stupid expensive.
And I'm out.
Let me go on American Amazon so I can actually look this up. Because it won't show me the price. Oh my god! Now when I type in Amazon, it auto defaults me to German Amazon.
You can just click on that DE listing and change the country.
Yeah, there we go. Samsung. What was it? But for the record, I would love a monitor like that. I really like big ultra wides. I just don't have $1,500 to drop on a monitor in Neo G95 NC.
Aren't you looking to buy like a Mac Mini or something like that?
Yeah, but like, it's not a monitor.
No.
I have a monitor that works perfectly fine. That's my laptop. That's the problem.
You don't need a crazy monitor for trading.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Mine works perfectly fine.
Yeah. We're watching 2-dimensional candles print.
Oh my god, it's a $2,000 monitor. My lowball is $2,000.
This is very, very choppy here on the open.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Russell's coming back down. Looks like it wants to go take my break even. Unfortunate.
Yeah, I've never opened a Russell chart in my life.
It's kind of fun, man. Like it has movement, but it's lighter leverage. So like you can take 2 contracts pretty comfortably.
Yeah, Albu, but why would you spend that much money when you can buy 3 27-inch monitors for like $100 a pop? Why would you spend? That's all you need for trading. Like, why would you buy? Why would you spend that much on a trading monitor? Like, unless you're gaming or something like that, or watching movies on it.
I mean, I play video games too, but like my monitor's still fine. Is it like a super high-end monitor? No, but gets the job done.
It's the job done. There you go.
Dude, I would love for the Russell to
By the way, I'm long again.
Overnight highs.
10,
nice.
16 27-inch monitors, Ethan says.
Oh, yeah.
Are you kidding
that
me?
thing up.
That's a good idea.
I'll move that up too quick. All right, we're just gonna settle in here.
Yeah.
Dave, is this trade number 4?
We're just gonna
I
settle
think
in
three.
here.
Three.
I think it's 4.
Ooh, I gotta look. Maybe
Let's just count.
Oh, it is 4. You're right.
Yeah.
kind of want
Add
price to
to
come up here
So-
to like 250, 260 area and see what happens up there.
Well, it's because I moved my break even
Uh,
stop too fast.
We don't have an
Takes me
indicator, but we will add one in future. DJP is currently operating at a trade every 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
Too many.
One of these days, I am gonna add the timer when we can see everybody's charts, and we're going to
Yeah.
count how many times Dave's in a trade. We're just gonna stay on Dave's charts. He won't know that we're on
Yeah,
his
just
charts.
do the trades the trades per minute. So we're now the
Yeah.
trades per minute for Dave.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good indicator.
I swear some algorithms can't keep up with the guy.
Yeah.
That's the whole point. Ghost in the machine.
He's faster than the algorithm.
The Razorback mug? Who's got a Razorback mug? Who's drinking in Arkansas?
I do.
Is it Dave?
Yeah, my son
Oh,
graduated
yeah.
there. My oldest son
Okay.
graduated from there.
All right, break even stopped on my second Russell contract.
I might have to switch to that Russell.
Dave, I'm just gonna say, okay, you're operating at many trades currently.
Adding another
Adding the
ticker.
Russell to yeah. I don't know about this.
It's not as psycho as the NQ.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you won't
it's
enjoy
more
it. You
extreme.
like the Psycho in Q though.
I don't know. It's wearing me out, man.
Just because you had a little loser doesn't mean that you need to move away from it.
So are we waiting for
I-
news? What do you think? Are we waiting for news, basically, or
We're waiting for your next trade, Dave. That's what we're waiting for.
well, I'm waiting to see if it.
Are you sure?
No,
For
heck
sure.
no. This is a ugly 15-minute candle, though.
I'm thinking about it.
You'd be, yeah.
I am too. I wish I am too.
A second ago, no. Wes says I am, and now you're thinking about the short.
Because in West I trust.
Okay.
I want to see a little pop off VWAP here.
I don't
What do you
have that
think
on the
about, a
charts.
long or short?
Short.
Okay.
Yes, chat. I'm thinking about a short.
Well, there's a nice low resistance liquidity run on the 5-minute, at least down to 158, but probably
Okay.
all the way down to 130.
Yeah, I need a pop first. I need it to at least.
Dude, it really grabbed my break even to the tick, and then is
Ugh.
back up like 4 points.
For me,
It's
it's
the
an
big stone
it's an
also.
inverted long savvy. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
X is down.
VIX is down. Big Tech is.
Ooh, look at this.
It's just-
Ooh, I don't think
Big
you're
Tech
gonna
is
get your...
down.
Let's see if it gets a pop here, Wes.
It's just not gonna give me a
Kev,
pop.
New candle. New candle.
Kev, if the VIX is down and Big Tech is also down, what does that mean?
New candle gives you the pop.
No, it just rifles down even further. I am terrible at shorting. Like I'm just terrible
Yeah,
at
I-
shorting. That's all there is
yeah.
to it.
I'm short at
Mm,
185.
I'm not good at it either.
I'm short.
What
Okay.
Kevin said. That's 15 minutes into the day, gentlemen.
Sit on your hands. Good advice especially for one of the boys.
I don't know who you're talking about.
Palmetto, what you chomping on over there?
Salad?
Very- No, not
Oh,
yet.
grapes.
I was
It's a
debating
fruit salad.
today.
I bought some
Yeah.
grapes yesterday at the grocery store, and they were the most sour thing. I had to pitch the whole
Oh, that's not good.
container of grapes. I tried 3 of them, and
Yeah.
every single one was a sour bite.
Nice, Fletcher. Look at
Yeah.
Fletcher.
Yeah, nice job. Sure. What was that on, NQ? All right, well, moments like this make me want to stop using break evens entirely.
I know.
Just let it
Because-
ride.
I mean,
It's
seriously.
going like it's right back at new highs on the session. It's going right towards my target, like ripping towards it.
Mm.
So came down, wicked me out, rotated up. Love to see it.
I mean, if I hadn't used a break
Thank you,
even a
short,
couple of
nice.
days ago, I would have had a 250-point trade.
No, I need a bigger pop than this. I need
Yeah,
I
like,
need above
it's-
200 on the NQ.
We are on the
use
sell
break
price,
evens a lot.
Kevin says. On the 10R, so that's looking for a 10-point move. Don't listen to his 10R, it's awful.
Nims, I was like, I use break evens a lot because I see a lot of other traders
Yeah.
use them. But I
I do
also
that.
talked to someone. I don't know if Brian's in the chat right now. Like, I asked Brian how he uses break evens, and he said he barely uses them. Like, it's
Yeah.
he like
You
he
have-
keeps it open and lets it breathe, and just keeps his stop at the invalidation. And like that would have been the perfect idea for the Russell trade right now.
I tell you
Um,
what, if you are
maybe.
keeping them open to and like leaving it to hit your stop loss, then you do have much better data for your system if it works properly or not.
But yeah, that's a good point too. I didn't think of that.
Because
I'm thinking
your
more
losses
so
are
about
actual
the fact
losses.
that-
Because you can have
Yeah.
winners which were 20 points and then they hit your stop loss and then they continue to full target. So it messes with the data completely.
NQ is doing the nasty to
NQ.
people right now.
It's doing NQ stuff, isn't it?
Well, my Russell trade would have been like 5 ticks from target now, so very sad. Oh, there's target. Damn, that's unfortunate.
Hey, all you guys have found trades. I haven't found a single trade. I have not found a single trade.
Savvy, it wasn't even an aggressive break even. It was a break even after my first target had been hit. It wasn't aggressive at all. It was just a break even. It tells me it entered in a good spot though. If we retested it and immediately bounced, that's cool.
Yeah, Fletcher, I normally only find a few trades a day anyway. Yesterday, I overtraded.
Yeah.
I swear I had like $50 in commissions yesterday.
Oh, it's big for you.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, the NQ's just.
I would-
I mean,
let's see what it does.
We got news.
It's doing what I thought it would do.
Oh, good shout.
People
good shout.
taking profits and then every dip bought up, so we just end up in a chop zone of not doing much.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Hey man,
I
I'm
think
here for it.
we'll have a slight down day. I think we'll close around 21k 150, somewhere around there.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I will Savvy.
Savvy is.
I mean, regardless,
Savvy is
I'm
the
going
journal
to,
preacher. journal,
Yeah, he
journal,
is.
journal,
He-
journal.
he's got
Every
it.
tick of movement in
Yeah.
your trade, you better journal.
Yeah. No, it is a good idea to. I'm gonna start using trade this soon too. But I'm
Oh,
also just
God.
gonna not use break
That's
evens.
Fletcher. Yep.
I
No.
I want to try this short, but I kind of want to see the ES run yesterday's high. Or is that the overnight highs? No, yesterday's highs before I get short. So I want NQ up into like the 50 to 60 area. But we've also got news in less than 10 minutes, so I'm probably gonna chill until news comes out at this point.
Kev, what's the 20% retracement of the weekly candle? What is that level? It's probably quite far down considering how far up we came.
All right, ES is running that wick now.
I think ES run or NQ runs those wicks too.
So what are we thinking? 6,020 on ES, somewhere around there.
Fletcher, I'm not asking for ICT stats, okay?
I think he is.
I know ICT stats. Down 92% in the Robins. I know the ICT stats.
That's because he doesn't know how to trade ICT.
All right, boys, it's that time.
Oh,
my
God.
gosh.
Alright,
Gosh,
alright, diabetic Debbie.
of a toddler. Okay, I think we run these tops up here at 232. Then we see what happens.
Russell cleared out both sides of the overnight. The YM cleared out overnight high. ES cleared out overnight high. NQ's done not a lot. It's still kind of just
No.
pinned.
21k says the retracement of 20%. I could see that potentially. I think we're just gonna chop here all day.
Yeah, Dave was
my
over here
gosh.
calling for 2K.
I was absolutely.
All right.
Not gonna lie, guys.
What
I'm
is
really
what are
excited to
your
watch.
weekend plans, Dave?
Well, typically, because of this gear I'm wearing, I would be pheasant hunting because opening day pheasant season is tomorrow in Kansas.
Okay.
So typically I would do that,
There
but
you
it's
go.
supposed to be kind of, well, it's kind of going to be warm. And being warm,
Is that a cold
it's
weather
bad hunting.
activity?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for the birds, you want the birds to set. And when it's warm,
Gotcha.
they just run.
Did not know that. Good to know.
Typically I head
Tom,
out to
are you
Western
going to
Kansas.
Chili's this weekend?
No, that's a Thursday thing. If we do
Oh,
that.
okay.
I didn't do anything like that last night. I just drank some beers and played chess. I don't really have any plans this
Nice,
weekend, man.
chess.
Just like recover. This week has been such a drag.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna figure something out to do that is fun.
Did not know you were a chess person there. Oh, man, that's nice.
I wouldn't say I'm a chess person. I play like recreationally.
That's cool though.
Yes, Ethan.
I like
Fridays are for Texas Roadhouse. Everyone in the chat, go to Texas Roadhouse tonight. Texas Roadhouse for me this Saturday. I like it, Kev. I like it.
Excellent. I'm making the sandwich for lunch though. I have a baguette that I cut in half and it's already toasted. I'm gonna retoast it so it gets toastier. And
Toastier.
then I've got some jamon iberico, some ham from Spain. Excellent. And I've got some mozzarella and some basil. Very exciting.
Dang.
That's gonna be the highlight.
What does
My
pheasant
food
taste
and
like?
Culinary adventures.
Ben, I've not enjoyed.
Pretty good.
I have a biased opinion on pheasant because I had pheasant
love
when I was younger, and I got the piece with like the shot in it, like the shotgun pellet was in
Yeah.
the piece that I got, and like I've never wanted to touch it again since.
That can happen.
Yeah.
Why is Texas Roadhouse?
Oh my God,
Hey, Nimkins, what'd you do while I was gone?
I didn't do anything.
it's just-
People in the chat started talking about it, and then Kev said he was going there.
It's so,
Alright.
it's so
I want to
ridiculous.
go.
That you
Yeah, I'm
see,
fine.
everyone wants to go.
They're
It's
busy.
so ridiculous.
They're busy every night.
Yeah. In a bit, Fletcher.
All right, Fletcher. We'll see you later.
See you, Fletcher.
I'll be. Oh, he's still
Yes.
hanging out with. No, he's gonna still hang out, but he's not gonna.
Oh, he's gonna
take
hang
any
out.
more
Okay.
trades. Okay, all right. You're welcome.
Okay.
We're just
I thought
talking
he was
about
gone.
Texas Roadhouse. No one's trading until Michigan, apart from Dave.
Yeah, I'm in the long. I don't know what you guys.
Yeah,
talking
of course you are.
Really? This whole time?
From
Oh
yeah,
my
214. 214.
All right. How many trades are you at now, Dave? Including.
5.
Is this only the 5th trade? Okay.
Yeah.
Pace is.
Yeah, this one I've been holding on to, letting it breathe.
Hey, that's
I went
pretty
in.
good. That's pretty good.
went in 10
Averaging one every
yeah.
5 minutes right now. That's pretty good. For
Yeah.
That's
5
pretty
minutes.
good.
We've been 25 minutes. Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, but a trade per 5 minutes. Yeah.
I was like, wait a minute. What are you guys talking about?
Yeah, the TPM indicator trades per minute for Dave.
Yeah. Well, let's see if news knocks me out here. But I've already taken. I went in 10 micros. I took 5 off.
Oh,
think- you know what,
put more size on.
Heck yeah.
The
This'll knock me
TPM,
out.
the Dave TPM indicator could be a really good indicator of levels of chop.
That's a real. Yeah. Well, that's what. You know what? I like that idea because I need to look at that data anyway.
Yeah, because if we're going up and down, then you're like, I'm long, I'm short, and like the trades increase. But then
It's
if
just
it's
stupid.
like continuous in a direction, then you know
Yeah.
the trades get
It's-
shorter.
Yeah, see, this will come back and bounce out. And I'm okay with that.
Palmetto, what are you seeing over there? Across the board.
I'm flat ahead of news, but while you were gone, I called it out that Russell's cleared both sides of the overnight. YM's cleared the top side. ES has cleared the top side. NQ has done just about nothing.
Yeah, NQ is choppy.
Like it hasn't even rotated. NQ hasn't even rotated all of overnight value. It's pretty much just pinned.
I'm looking at the tickers right now, up on the top of my charts.
Yeah, this is going to take me out. Yep.
Is ES at all-time highs?
ES is... Yes, it's right at all-time highs.
Where's the bounce up?
Every new print higher right now on ES is all-time highs.
Okay. Well, NQ, you are doing nothing.
It's doing nothing.
Chat, how we doing today? We green? We red?
I'm green, Wes. Thanks for asking.
Flat, no trades. Green.
Green as what? What's
Oh,
YSL?
savvy.
Savvy trading oil.
Nice.
Okay, it's right, but it's too close
A
to
little
news.
red.
I want the
Ooh.
short, but
Don't-
it's too close
don't
to
do it.
news.
Don't do it.
I don't like a long or a short here.
Let me be the voice of reason.
Well, ES just
I
ran
don't think that's a good idea.
its prior swing high, but it hasn't got to that 6,020 level yet that I was talking about.
Does this want to clean out?
Scott? Remember, it's okay to end a day a little red. Okay.
I just think
Don't take anything that you don't like after taking your payout. Don't destroy that account.
that's good advice there.
Well, he should be trading a separate account anyway, so his account doesn't change.
Right.
Because they will pull your payout if you trade that account and you're
Okay.
like if you lose money. So he should have another account going. Yeah, there you go.
All right. That's all good. It's all good.
Martin, I'm Irish. I'm always green.
Yeah.
I know it's funny.
All right, Scott. Just checking. You don't want Wes to get the belt out.
What? Why would I be getting a belt out?
We know the disciplinarian that you are.
No, Scott and I already
Mate.
talked. Scott and I talked this through last night.
Yeah, I talked it through with him last night as well. We both gave him different opinions.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He's-
I was saying take 1,400, and apparently you were saying take less.
I was saying take less, leave the cushion.
Yeah. With the 2K cushion, I thought was enough
Yeah, but
because
All
these
right.
trades
Nim said
micros.
put
I
it-
thought two.
Nim said put it in a roadhouse, which is ridiculous.
Yeah, I
here we go.
did say put it all into Texas Roadhouse. Yeah. So take the
I like
1,400 and
uppies.
put it all in
I
Texas
like
Roadhouse.
All right, here's news.
I like
Really?
uppies.
What a lame FOMC that was yesterday.
Oh my
It
god.
was so priced in. It was ridiculous, wasn't
Oh,
it?
so lame.
Yeah, it was so priced in. We're going up.
I was telling.
But you know what?
I was telling the Discord to buckle their seatbelts and everything, and then we went nowhere.
Turned into a plane captain.
Yeah.
Oh, 5 minutes later, I was like, okay, you can unfasten now.
Yeah. It's like you're the driver telling everyone to buckle up, and then you go to up to 12 mile an hour. Like,
Yeah, it was bad.
You guys enjoy that? Yeah.
It was bad.
Everything kind of ripping.
Yeah, guys, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could.
Smash that thumbs up button.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you're viewing, which I'm sure everybody is subscribed, subscribe for me.
Remember, guys, 1 like equals 1 trade for DJP. You want to see some action, you hit that thumbs up button.
If NQ can get back down to like 180, I'd be interested in the long.
I'm not gonna dance for you. You're not the organ grinder over here, Nims. Just
28 viewers. Should have been 28 trades by now, DJP.
Do we have 28? I'm showing 27.
I'm showing 28.
I see 28. I
I
see
have
28.
27. No, I have 28 now.
Yeah.
Just changed as we're looking at it.
I like it to pop.
All right,
like
chat.
ES
What are
grinding.
your ideas for trades? Because we've
I like
spoken
it
about
to
what our ideas are. What's your ideal setup that you would like to see today for a long or a short?
I want to go back in time 20 minutes and not use a break even. So
Okay, enough of Captain Hindsight over there.
Albu, you
Sorry,
can post
man,
my
I
link in
just-
Patrick Whelan's chat. No, let's not do that. I want no
No.
involvement. I want no involvement
I want
over there.
None of that. Yeah.
Kev wants a long of 21k 50.
21.
I mean, it's a 50, so
Oh,
I've
it's
got to immediately like it.
Yeah. Yep. Unbelievable.
Immediately.
Yeah.
As
Immediately.
soon as I see that number, I'm in.
Yeah, I didn't even look at the
Yeah.
level on the past action. It's just a 50. I think it sounds
Yeah.
good.
It is amazing.
What happens when we get to 50k? Like, what do you do then?
Mate, that is, I don't know. I need a fluorescent golden level at 50k.
A fluorescent golden level.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that means.
I mean, I'll probably be dead by the time we get to 50k.
You never know.
Oh, guys, I'm showing
We're
29.
Bitcoin right now.
I'm showing 29 viewers right now.
Yeah. That's what I'm seeing as well. All right, so it's Kev got the only one with an idea for a trade. No one else wants to trade.
Sure, I got one for
Alright,
you.
yeah.
How about
I don't know.
20,800 long?
Yeah. Okay. I mean, that's Disneyland. Right?
20,000.
And you're not going, Wes.
long.
That is Disneyland, and you are not going.
I'll take even a 20,900 long. How does that sound?
That's Disneyland Paris, and you're also not going there.
Bitcoin 76k right now. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take a 20,000.
Can't believe I wasn't. Sorry, go ahead.
No, you're good, brother.
My bad.
Wait, is the internet cutting out? It's getting all shaky. Everyone's audio. Is that my end?
That's your end.
Yeah, it's clear here.
It's that gaming headset you got on your head there.
It's not the gaming headset. All right. Buy me
There it
the
comes.
kit.
There we go.
Buy me the kitten headset. Don't say here it comes when we just make a 10-point drop.
It's going down now. And then it'll go up. And then it'll go sideways.
All right, I'm short.
Ow. Yeah, I like that.
Right, where's his short? Okay, we're coming back up.
No, he's got the right move.
I need to see like 180 on the NQ before I get long.
Every dip will be bought up by these greedy people.
Yeah, but it's not a dip yet.
Oh, I need to see below 180. Like, ideally sweep that prior low and come back in, and then get long at like 80-ish something. You know, and then make the rotation back up to like 220 IBH area. Would be cool.
I know. I like.
Dude,
it.
why is my house always freezing? Oh my.
I'm break even just in case.
Over
Yeah.
here, like shiver.
Where's your
I
entry?
don't think it runs back on you, Wes.
93.75.
Yeah, I'm short too.
Oh, of course, big bounce up.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah,
I didn't
80.
like that.
80 didn't trade. It was 3 ticks off.
Oh,
Yeah, that 80. But I think
Good.
it
ES.
You
ES
still in, Wes?
testing overnight
Yep,
highs
still
right
in.
now. YM
nice.
holding above overnight highs. NQ's still kind of just messing around, and Russell has cleared out both sides of the overnight and is back in the middle of the range.
I'm short at 93.
Anyone know what Michigan was?
Obviously, nothing major.
22 R says sell. 205.
It's just not breaking that 80 that Palm was talking about. I
Yeah,
needed to
I
snap.
know it needs to snap it.
Yeah, you might have it though. Like I think
It's
160's
coming
on
now.
the
There
table.
it is. Well, 100%.
I really think
160.
here this is the make or break. If we hold that prior pivot we had, like the first test of 180, then I think if we hold that, we rotate back up. But I think 160 is probably on the table, honestly.
Yeah, I'm out 5 micros. I went in 10. I'm out 5.
I mean, don't let that like skew how you're going to manage the trade. But just from looking at where the volume is, that's where volume kind of drops
I'm
off
out.
from the overnight. Okay.
Yeah, I'm out. Dang it.
I'm not gonna.
I'm out too.
Not gonna risk the pullback on the ES. Is
How much
trying,
you take?
Here is
ES is
interesting.
trying to hold. What did I take there? I took $300.
Nice. Nice. And good exit.
It was a great exit. And I'm out. I was out too. I took 200 to
Nice.
195.
All right, there's my winning. There's my winning day.
Nice,
Yeah.
dude. Good job.
I can sit back. All right, I would be watching it for it to hold under 200 here, guys. And if it does, I would probably look for the shorts back into. I mean, honestly, at this point, if we hold under 200, I would say we're probably going back to 21K, somewhere around there.
That's what I liked earlier.
All right. Thank you, Andreas. Thank you for those kind words.
Oh boy.
Right. The worst part about it is I don't drink. I haven't drunk for 4 years. So you're basically just saying you just look like shit, Nims. Alright.
I told him he
Thanks,
needs a
son.
haircut when I first saw him this morning, Andrew. By the way.
That's too funny.
Yeah.
Well, I'm showing 31 viewers all of a sudden, guys. We are climbing.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, smash that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
By the way, I got back in short.
I wasn't allowed. I didn't have time to
Why?
go and have a shower because I had people coming around.
87. I wanted to get in
work.
back in earlier, but 87 once it started to put down again.
Are
I'll
you
go break
pyramiding?
even. Yeah, I got out on that first
yeah.
one. I should have.
The fame is getting to my head. The fame.
I would really like to do that, Palm, but this thing's gotta show some conviction here, isn't? I mean, taking anything around this level is middle of the range. It's stupid, but
Dave, I'm sorry, I'm long on NQ.
I think that might be the play. I've got a tight stop, so it's not going to hurt me too bad.
I
mean,
wanted the
we-
long from lower, but we just bounced 80 again, bounced that prior low again, like
It's-
exact same spot. Value regular low. and
Next
it's
Friday
220
stream,
might be
everyone
on
with a
the
bald head. Just shave all the hair.
Whoa. We were talking about that earlier, to be fair. Ware said he wouldn't mind being bald. I think he's lying.
I mean,
It feels dumpy, Palm. I like
you
what
just got to do it right. You just got to get really jacked.
table. Dave, I'm long, not short.
I know. That's why I'm like either way, but I'm just feels dumpy.
Yeah, Palm. I'm
Yeah, I think the
may-
volume
side.
at 160 probably gets traded. This is where I would have wanted my original entry,
Okay, this is important.
but I also
right
don't
here.
love that close, so I'm not going to add.
You know what would be really cool?
I'll probably go break even. No,
If
I'll
we
let it
didn't
break.
chop bang in the middle between my two levels and actually reached one of them.
I think overnight low is in play. I really do.
Alright,
I
that's
like
my
overnight
stop.
low. I've only got 5 micros on. I'm gonna let this ride.
Oh, Palm, you got stopped out.
Yeah, I needed my entry to be from lower, but it's also just not holding it. I think 160 is on the table here, and then after that, overnight lows.
Yeah,
It all
I'm
kind
still
of makes
getting
sense.
rid
The
of it.
profile for NQ today kind of sucks.
Yeah, I'll just push it. Oh, there we go. All right, I'll go break even here.
Nice trade, Dave.
Should take it off by all rights, but I'm gonna let this ride. I like overnight lows.
Are you not up 20 points?
I am. Oh, on this trade, I am up 15, getting to 20. At 20 right now. You know what? Here's what I'll do. I'll
Oh.
take some off.
No, it's too late now. It's wick back on you.
Wake back on me. Yeah, damn it. Oh, we'll see
Yeah.
here. It's coming back down. I'll take some off.
I heard a famous
Back in
phrase: "Take your 20 points, Nims. Take your 20 points."
Well, I took 2 off there. It wasn't quite 20 points. It was close. It was 10 points.
What's
It
the
was 15
strategy these
14
guys are
points.
using? Well, Dave uses sling and buy and sell and then buy and sell. I'm waiting for 20. If we're going down, I'm waiting for 140 to 120 for that zone. If it holds up there, Brendan, I'll be looking for longs.
Yeah, Brendan, for the most part, with the except Dave is an ICT guy. Let's just face it, he's an ICT guy. I'm a support and resistance trader. Nimkins is a support and resistance trader. Palmetto discovery trader. I don't know. How do you define yourself, Paul?
Like volume profile.
Volume profile. Okay.
Profile, yeah. This is God.
So we all have different things we look for.
Dave spray and pray.
Yeah, Dave just likes clicking those buttons.
I like it.
So Brendan, you're new here, correct? Like this is your first stream, I'm assuming. First and foremost, hit that subscribe button. Secondly,
hit it if you want to.
Secondly, the levels that you see here on the screen, these are my charts. I'm Wesley, by the way. Red are areas of that I would look for resistance. Green areas are areas of support that I would define as support. I look for wick and reclaims, break and retests off those levels. Pretty simple.
Still like that. I like overnight lows.
Oh, and if you tell him the Discord, !Discord if you'd like to join the Discord.
I tell you what I've become, if you ask my style, is, and I should have patience. One of these days, I'll just spend a month or maybe a week. I don't think a month. Or I just wait for IB to set, because that IB trade that
That is never
Paul,
happening.
Paul, are you listening to this? Paul.
Yeah.
It's true though. It's true.
It's a
Dave, you're
good
sitting
trade
on your
when the
hands.
market condition for it is good. It's a good trade, but market conditions have just been really bad for it recently.
Right.
Well, I say recently, like the last month. It was on like a 3-month heater. Like if you traded that the way I had it set up for July, August, and September, you would have paid 60 grand.
Oh yeah, it was amazing.
And then the minute you started actually trading it, what happened?
It's terrible. It's just right down
It
the
just
gutter.
got wrecked.
Yeah.
Wait, what's the Discord link? I tried to write it in the chat, but it didn't work.
Mason can throw
no, it's working.
I
It's
think
working. It's working. It's working.
Yeah, Brendan, if you
Alright.
want to, you're more than welcome to join our free Discord. There's lots of good traders in there. Lots of traders hang out in the voice chat over there and talk what they're seeing throughout the day in the
This is
markets.
nasty.
Most of us are futures traders, index futures traders at that. Some of us do trade other things as well. But for the most part, what would you say? I mean, mainly the NASDAQ
It's-
guys. I mean,
Yeah,
let's face it.
NASDAQ, and then a few people moved to the YM because they hated Nvidia, and now Nvidia's come to the YM.
I know,
so
it's brutal.
I don't know. Yeah.
It's brutal.
Time to move to the Russell.
No, it's not going to move to the Russell. It's not small enough.
No. That's what's
No,
gonna
I'm saying
happen.
Time for everyone else to move to the Russell now.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Look at this. Ye of little faith.
All right,
I
that is
think
a
ES
signal.
ES might pop here.
This thing.
Right.
Yeah, Sanders,
Don't
the
see us
NQ's a
sitting
bad
on
drug.
volumes slowing down.
It's a bad drug. It's awful.
So now Palm's moved to the Russell. Are we expecting Nvidia to completely bomb earnings and turn into a small cap overnight and join the Russell?
Turn into a small cap overnight.
Wow. What the hell?
Guys,
I moved to
I
the
also
Russell. I
I also
took a
noticed
trade
I'm
on
gonna throw a plug in here as well. I saw Goose was so close to 1,000 members in his Discord as well. So if you aren't a member of 1MNQ yet, let's get him to 1,000 so that he can celebrate finally. He fears that he's never going to get there. I'm not gonna lie.
get him
His
to
admin
999.
logs, Palm, are one of the funnier
It's so
places
funny,
that
yeah.
I've ever read.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, it's so funny.
Oh, it is
That
hilarious.
was open recently. That was like the last month maybe that was open for like public view because it used to be admin only. So like the fact that it was just open one day, I don't know why. I just came in there and it was like, oh, you could talk in here now.
Oh,
So we
it
just
was
started, like,
so funny.
hazing new people.
It is so funny. So funny. Yeah, Goose is
This
our
is
guy. Goose is our
nasty.
guy.
Oh no way, we got the banana bread recipe.
Yeah, Mason added it as a command in my chat. I don't.
This is a strong up push here. This failure swing, not to take out the lows at 156, 157. That's nasty.
Dave, where did you were you targeting overnight lows, or did you take anything off at like 160
Oh,
ish?
I took 3 off already. I'm just leaving 2 runners, and I went break even. So that's probably going to take me out here, but that's all right. I mean, I made some money on it. At my 20 point, my dog's going crazy.
Everything else is looking pretty bullish. NQ is the only one lagging behind right now.
Yeah, I haven't
ES
even
looks like
looked
it
at
wants
ES.
to go push new highs.
Oh yeah, now I can see it.
Andrew, exclamation point, 100% profit for the rest of my life.
I wish.
I wish too. That'd be great. Holy chopping.
Yeah, I just took it
dude.
off. I took it off right before that. So I'm out.
Oh, nice tap.
Well, we all know
wow.
historically Fridays are my worst trading day of the week.
That was a good trade.
I'm going to need to see NQ come into a level that I am really interested in at this point, since I've already locked in $300 on the session.
Yeah, this is
So,
ugly.
Whose dog is?
what is that?
That's my dog. She's
Okay.
barking at something. I don't know what the heck she's barking at.
What kind of dog do you have?
I have a Brittany Spaniel, hunting
I
dog.
don't know what that looks like. Let me see.
They're great dogs.
Nims has got his cat over there.
Yeah.
Too
Cute
bad.
cat.
Is that the cat that broke your
that's a
ribs?
cool dog.
Yeah,
Nims, we can't hear you.
luckily.
I have to put the cat down to talk because I have to push to talk. All right, poor cat.
Poor cat. Is that the one that broke your rib?
Yeah. They are not.
So you
fun.
think this breaks up now? Because you see the ES going up.
I think we chop.
breaks?
I think
What
we
breaks
chop,
up?
breaks up?
chop people to oblivion until the afternoon.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
Dave,
think it
what
breaks.
breaks
I
up?
think it breaks up a lot of relationships with
Yes.
the NQ
Yes.
today. I think a lot of people will break up with the NQ today through this chop.
Yeah, I
That's
think
very
ES
true.
is looking good to go push new highs. Like we traded above overnight highs, we came back tested overnight highs, and back tested significant overnight volume and just held it. And like it's pushing right now, so I think it goes and trades 60-20. Same thing with YM. Swept out overnight highs, held above, pushing up. Russell's like getting stuck around overnight highs. It hasn't moved past it significantly yet, but I don't see a trade there yet either. And then NQ again is like just doing nothing.
Well, NQ failing to take those lows at 158, 160-ish, that's brutal. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Mason, did you
We're
take
right
the
at
long?
VWAP.
Too, but
We're right at
Yeah,
VWAP
it's
anyway.
nothing. There's nothing to do.
I'm not doing anything.
Mason, did you take that long? Because you were talking before we came on the stream about that level, and that's where your box was. I'm wondering if you took it because it would have been perfect.
Yeah, Brendan, that's the other thing. If you hear us refer to levels as boxes, we are box drawers.
box cult.
Yeah. Where's Annan when you need him?
Easy now.
Yeah. Have you heard from? I haven't heard from him for a few days.
Is there something I'm
honestly,
not aware of?
Market's going up. We don't hear from him.
Yeah, I would imagine he's getting wrecked right now.
'Cause he's
Pretty
banking
short a
on
lot.
the retracement.
Oh, 50, not 150. Okay. All right. I thought all 50s were equal, but apparently not.
This is sketch.
This is nothing, Dave. We're not doing anything. We're just chopping.
Yeah.
I know. I'm not taking
I
a
can't
trade.
even,
That's how
like-
bad it is.
NQ
We are-
profile is also like a double distribution with a split at 21,200. So it's kind of hard, at least for me, to take any trades there. Like maybe you could get away with shorting 21,200 right now back into 80, but don't
Yeah,
really
it
want
is
to
kind
take
of a
that.
double distribution, isn't it?
Well,
Think
I
about
can
this for
tell
a
you where
second.
we are. We are at the furthest point that we could be from my 2 levels that I want to operate at. We are bang in the middle of just a
Yeah.
no trade zone for me.
Well, think about this for a second. It is less than 100-point range, and IB's about ready to set.
But yeah.
Oh, nice, Brendan. Yeah,
Yes.
you're a box trader. Yeah, you'll fit right in, brother. You'll fit right in.
Yeah.
Yeah, ES trading pretty nicely. It's a nice looking uptrend for me.
Sanders, where do you have any order blocks? That's going to be the
Just
draw.
interesting.
I've got one on the 5-minute. No surprise, sitting at 260. That could be a draw.
I've got to retrain myself this weekend to kind of just, like, now that I'm looking at 4 different markets, retrain myself to just kind of hit the trigger when I see something that looks good. Like that ES trade played perfectly.
I think you could do with some training with DJP if you want to learn about
think you
hitting the
could.
trigger.
Well, yeah. Well, I tell you, part of my problem was, and I know I for me, just how my mind works, I have to go overboard on it. But part of my problem was not getting in. So
Yeah,
it's I'm swinging the pendulum, and I'll be coming back. But I had to get used to let's get in. So,
Yeah, train yourself to just, when you see the setup, like the opportunity's there, take it.
probably not the right way, but everybody's mind works differently. So that's how I train it.
I saw someone describe that once as, like, your job as a trader is to sit, be patient, and then when you identify an opportunity where the big 2 things, trade quality 1 and the risk on the trade 2, when those 2 line up, like, it's your job to take a trade. I thought that was an interesting way of taking it. Like, at that point, you're obligated to take it.
That's Mark Douglas. That is.
I don't know. I don't know
I'm
where.
not sure, but I
Yeah,
read that. I saw the same thing.
it's in Mark Douglas's trading
Okay.
in the zone.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Yeah.
pretty accurate, I think. But
Yeah,
very
to
much-
And the other,
to leave yourself
other book I
available for
like-
when an opportunity presents itself.
I love
Yeah.
how one of you starts talking, the other one starts talking, then you both go silent at the same time, waiting for the other one to
Yeah.
speak.
And then voice call things.
Yeah.
well, the better thing, the other book I liked on that psychology, and I know everybody's been over these, is The Best Loser Wins. I mean, that was a good one too.
That one a lot too.
Came from
I've
never
never
need to
read
read
any of those trading
Confucius.
psychology books. It'd probably help me, honestly. Probably
Oh,
a good idea.
Confucius. Hey,
So
pin
Wes.
to this level. This is to this range here is like
We're just chopping.
it's bad.
Well, I'm seeing negative order block on the 3-minute, negative order block on the 4-minute, negative order block on the 5-minute, all at the same area.
It's all over.
Yeah.
I mean, and those should be magnets at some point to get either go through or get rejected, but we're not even doing that.
All right. As we are chopping, Wes, I will ask you, when is your next appointment with your pest control subscription?
It won't be for a couple more months.
How often are they?
Every
a
3
quarter.
months.
Yeah, once a quarter.
You just have one?
Yeah, they just come and do maintenance.
Ripped him off.
sprays.
Yeah, I'm saying, like, did they
Yeah,
just
yeah,
come-
we did loads. Yeah, we did loads.
Yeah.
Yeah, give us some money.
Yeah, I just had one not too long ago.
It's heavy.
All right,
clothes.
and
They
you
don't-
back at 180.
don't ever ask me for
still
money,
don't
I
see
just
a
pay
reason
the
to touch
bill.
it.
As
Yeah,
it
I know.
arrives.
I know. That's what. That's the rip off. You don't have.
All right, Niba, that's what we're gonna start doing. We're just gonna start sending Wesley invoices,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
he's just gonna pay the bill.
Yeah, yeah. That's it. That's perfect.
Pay the
all right.
bill.
All right. So we just send quarterly. Okay, I've got it.
Oh, this is just ugly.
Hey chat, I will be doing open roll call for a new Trading with the Boys crew. If you're interested, let me know in the chat.
What is this?
Full open auditions.
Oh my god.
We
That
ask for any money,
escalated
and that's it.
quickly.
Find new people.
What was that? Where did that
Yeah.
come from? I mean, why?
Palm didn't even have the guts to ask for a new monitor, and you've already sacked him.
Anybody interested? Anybody is?
Yeah, I've seen that, Ben.
Wait, really,
I
Ben?
think he,
That happened?
yeah, he got prosecuted. He got
That's
prosecuted.
wild.
He was just sending invoices to random companies, and were they paying him?
Yeah,
You,
yeah, they
Have you-
do. They do, big companies.
he
Yeah.
will do it. I mean, have
Oh,
you
he went
seen it?
at.
They don't-
Well, that's where he made the mistake. He went after Google
Yeah.
and play. Yeah, I mean, come on.
I will
Listen,
not. I will not
some
name
of
the
the-
big company.
Some of the
Classic.
accounts payable departments I've been around, yeah, you'll
Really? They just
Uh,
rubber stamp everything?
Yeah, because they don't want to. I mean, look, you got people manning it just like
10
you do anything
years.
else.
He was doing it for 10 years.
Yeah,
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
wild.
When I was working as a photographer, there was a few big companies which I won't name, which may have some double paid me and some triple paid me. That they were obviously just behind on admin, and they just like, oh god, I haven't paid this, and then they just paid again.
And
Nice.
so that's how you got the Ferrari.
Yeah.
Hey, okay. I'm not mentioning. I don't want to ask for it back.
Oh, speaking of Ferraris, Mr.
Yes.
Mr. Scott Treist went AWOL.
Yeah, I saw
Yeah.
that. I saw that. Well, the writing was on the wall there.
Yeah. For a
So
while.
if a person calls me up for a purchase of mine called Scott, then we know who it is.
Guys, if you don't know what we're talking about, it's Fast Track Trading
Just
prop firm went under or closed up shop.
I think it's
Prop
important to
firm.
talk about that.
Everyone pretend to be surprised in the chat. Everyone pretend to be
prop firm is
surprised.
a generous term.
Shocked. I think it's important to talk about that though, because if you got new people
Prop.
coming in, where do I go? And it's easy to get enticed.
Yeah,
It's
Mark.
like anything else.
Nimkins did admit fraud on a live stream,
Yeah.
I didn't admit fraud. I didn't do anything wrong.
Get him.
All right.
That's right.
Yeah, to be fair, it's not your fault that they decided to pay you multiple
That's true.
times.
Yeah.
Nor did they ask for it back. Nor did they send you an invoice back saying, "Hey, we overpaid you."
No.
So
No.
that
That's
is what it
correct.
is.
Yeah.
Afraid I've got to stand on business ethics here now. Just have to.
Okay. I say
Dave standing
sorry.
on
I'm
business.
I'm open for
Sorry.
replacing one member on trading of the boys. All right. Just for the application, you just need to know. We just need to know if you take 50 trades within the first hour of open, and then that should be good enough.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, ES is ripping. It's doing it.
$1,000
YM is
for a
ripping
snitch.
too.
Well, and NQ should follow.
No.
Should it?
Mm.
No.
We're
NQ
ID's about to be set.
NQ's searching for souls.
If
What was my?
NQ, I mean, NQ's
Still
going
stick
to set IBH at like value area high right now. I have value area high. My mouse would work at 130,
So-
237. Sorry,
Yep. that's where
and
mine is.
IBH at 232 right now. If
Yeah.
NQ sweeps IBH, sweeps value area high, and then closes back inside IB, I am absolutely taking the short.
Yeah.
Even though I don't really love shorting in this market, I think I would have to take that honestly.
That's a crazy tight IB range.
But
Yeah.
Martin,
I've fallen victim to the trying to short all-time highs before,
Yeah.
and it's not fun. You just get slowly bled out.
Yeah,
But
that's
just
the only
keeps
thing I'm
pushing
worried
it up.
about.
Scott said that he was going to refund everyone from fast track trading. You think that's not going to
Yeah.
happen? by
No,
any
he
chance?
said he was going to try and refund
Oh,
everybody.
oh.
There-
He's got to
you-
say that.
You got to get
He's
the
got to say that.
you got to get the wording correctly.
Okay, so like I try not to be annoying.
You
I don't
signed
think you're annoying.
Palmetto. You pulled up the contract for FTT at one point, and in there it said we can
Yeah.
do whatever we want.
Yeah, it gives them a green light to screw you over.
Yeah.
I just think it's important discussion for people wanting to get into this if they don't understand. Is
Yeah.
really do the research on
Yeah,
how
there's-
long have they
Do
been
the
around.
research, and also
It's
just
important.
stick with the biggest firms, the most
Yeah.
reputable ones, I should say.
It's important because the ones that promise quick things are the ones that you'll. I mean, it's like any other industry. You hear that, you see that, you're like, you just gotta be careful.
I think in a way, FTT was kind of important for the industry because it's going to push the whole instant funding thing forward. Like that wouldn't have started without them. I don't believe. At least they're the first ones that I saw were doing it. Maybe Tradeify did it before, but Tradeify never got as big that I know of. So now that like MFFU, whatever their name is offering the milestone program, and then Daryl from Apex was on a podcast talking about potentially doing an instant funding route. I think it's interesting that they like push the envelope further. It just sucks that they turned out to be a scam and went under.
Yeah.
But is that not going to put off the straight direct to funding things? Because all these companies will be like, this might put us under if we do it.
I think their model was just like their model was just straight Ponzi. That was the
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah. Isn't
think
that all the
MFF
models
with
though?
No. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like a significant amount of prop firm money, their revenue comes from evals and resets, but the ones that are actually taking people to live accounts are legit. And yeah,
Okay.
like that number's never going to be as big as the casino money that you can generate with evals and resets. But as long as it's there is some sort of backstop. Like you are getting paid from 1, live traders, and then 2, from house accounts following your good live traders. You are generating revenue from that you can use to backstop anything that's coming from or coming out of evals and resets.
I'm long.
Right.
That's the way I see it. You're long.
I've been long since 200.
Thanks for letting us know.
Well, I didn't want to interrupt. I mean, it was like
No,
it was important what you were saying, and it is
Okay,
important.
thanks. Appreciate it.
Where are you long from, Wes?
I'm long from like 207. Not a great entry. I'll risk $200. I'll risk 10 points. But it's looking like the ES wants to push that 6,020 and grab that.
Yeah, ES looks rippy.
So I'm thinking it drags E and Q with it.
I think
ES looks rippy, and YM's just been straight up. V-bottom straight up. Damn, bro. My break even on the Russell trade is so sad.
Brendan just asked what firms do we recommend.
Top Step.
Top Step.
I'm on Top Step.
Yeah, I use
All
Top
the
Step.
way. All the way.
I like Top Step. Top Step has good support too. Like they've had their issues. Every prop firm has its issues at some point, just because like conditions change. Like sometimes it just gets slammed. Waves of things happen, or things out of their control happen. Like Apex, for example, like the whole Red Mix server stuff wasn't their fault. Do I agree with the way they handled it? Absolutely not. But like I can at least give them leeway that like Rhythmic servers being 20 years old is not their fault.
Right.
But yeah, I think Top Step is probably the best, me personally. I like Trade Day when I use them. They just don't offer Motive Wave. That's my only issue with them.
Yeah, I looked at My Fund of Futures, but they didn't offer Sierra charts.
Yeah. Kind of whack.
I mean, the red flag ones are, for the big ones, is Apex at the moment, Brendan.
All right, NQ's not pushing and ES is
I
getting
don't
ready to reject
agree.
that 20. I might get out of this thing.
Yeah.
I don't agree with how Apex treats payouts. Like the denials that I see are kind of sus. I don't love that.
Kind of smacked off point of control and is now heading back down.
Yeah, that wasn't good. But I'm gonna stick in this. I got a great entry. I got a decent entry on 200. We'll see.
Oh, was that it? I don't know. Martin, I don't know.
I mean, I hate taking something off of the middle of this range, but I did.
Yeah, it's just smacking point of control right now. Pretty hard.
Or
Chop,
the Russell
chop,
back
chop,
testing
chop,
idea
chop,
right now.
chop. Stopped out.
Damn.
I'm done with the NQ. I'm done with it.
Yo, wait. Pull up the Russell real quick. Russell's backtesting IB.
Done with the NQ. Just gave back nearly everything that I had made. Yep, just gave back almost everything. So I'm up $60 right now.
I really want to long the Russell. I just don't know where my risk would be.
Jeez. Bitcoin futures above 77K. Above
Let's go.
77.1.
My Bitcoin long is finally not underwater after like 9 months. I really want the Russell long. I just don't know where to put my risk. Have to be like
Is the Russell at all-time highs as well?
7 points.
Should be.
That's a good question. I don't know. I want to say yes, just based on the gigantic move that we had during the election. Like I want to say yes, but I'm not.
I think it is.
100%.
I think I looked at it the other day. I think we are all-time highs on that.
Maybe I like the long on the Russell a little bit less. I just checked the higher time frame.
Mm.
YM longs are paying though. YM is moonshotting. ES long looks decent too. Back-tested composite, or like composite, back-tested prior day's value as well, and held it, so that looks decent. The Russell's like trying to trade above value right now though, so it actually is a decent looking short. If
What's
there's
your
a change in state of delivery.
Oh god. Alright. I hope there's no change in my state of delivery. I'm waiting for some clothes to arrive. What's the stats? What got set first? IB8 got set first, so IBL's more likely to break. Is that your stat?
For NQ?
Yeah.
Yeah, IBL is 70% likely to break today first.
Okay.
I see Dave gearing up right now. I see him ready to go. He's seeing it. He's seeing it right now.
If the Russell closes inside of IB, or I might even put the order on now. I'm interested in the short, honestly.
Yeah, everything's starting to look point down a little bit.
I just like that it's value area high of the last 2 sessions. I think a rotation into, I don't know, like 2400 would make sense, and then a second contract would be pretty decent as well.
I swear, if this thing comes all the way back up now at this point, I might be done trading.
Yeah.
NQ bouncing value area low again at 80.
Yep. I don't like it at all.
Profile look like?
Nope.
Yeah, dude, NQ just pinned.
Yeah, even on the 2-minute, it's just gross. Just gross. I mean, what are we putting in
Yeah, the
here?
Russell short's the only trade I really see right now. I mean, I could see the argument for like getting long value area low NQ. I don't think it's a bad idea. I just don't think it's a great idea either.
This is account wrecking price action is what it is. Like
Yeah.
if you're a breakout trader, good night. Good night.
All right, I'm gonna set my orders for the short. See if they get filled. Debatable, but we'll see.
I'm sure Dave's already short. He's just not saying anything.
Dave, you short?
There's
Is
there's
the
noise
pi-
in the background. I had to go mute, but I typed it into the chat. I'm short at
Oh,
188.
okay.
Okay.
I almost
just-
added when it came back up. I almost added again, but
Is there a pyramid scheme going on, or is it just a straight short?
it's just a straight up straight short
Okay.
Thing to call.
Okay.
pyramid scheme.
Yeah,
This
that's
is
funny.
headed.
Name.
This is IBL. I think. Should
Yeah, I can see it. Definitely see that.
But I'm going to give this room to breathe. If it takes me out up higher, it does. But I don't know. This is, I think Wes is right. This is just account wrecking price action. Look at that. Just brutal.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull my orders for the Russell. I want the short because it's value very high, but at the same time, like 5-minute structure looks so bullish.
Yeah. It's just ugly.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh my god, NQ bouncing
that.
again.
Look
yeah,
at that. That's dirty. That's dirty.
it's just gross. Gross.
Dirty. Probably should have taken a profit, but I really had some.
Are the
conviction.
Lions going to win?
Are the Lions going to win?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Duh.
Honestly, I think we're the best team in the NFL. I know Dave might have
Nice.
something to say about that and say, hey, my team's undefeated, but we look better than the Chiefs right now, yes.
Oh, Dave's a glory hunter.
Hey, but you gotta remember, the Chiefs have the refs on their side.
Yeah.
Counts for a lot.
So, Dave, do you watch all their games?
No, the Chiefs have the Swifty money on their side. Is what they've got.
Yeah. I mean, Dave's
Swifties.
Dave's watched 8 Taylor Swift concerts this season already.
Morning, Rice. Welcome.
Upright.
Yeah, all of that, and she only had one concert at Arrowhead. How does that work?
No one's allowed to touch Mahomes. All right, I took a long and NQ.
This is ugly. I'm still in this short.
Nims, the Lions
This
have
will
the
be
primetime
only
Sunday
it's not
night
out.
game, so it'll be about 1:30 in the morning when they kick off your time.
Oh my god. And then they'll be up like 3 touchdowns and then take it to overtime, so I have to stay up till like 5 a.m. to finish watching the game.
Yes, exactly that.
I mean, in all fairness, that's most NFL games, to be honest with you. They're all pretty close. So it's not just the Lions that happens to. It's very rare when a team just buries another team in the NFL. Because all the
Lions
teams, all
have
the
been
teams
doing
are
it.
good. Yeah,
Except for
they've done that to
Patriots.
some bad teams.
Yeah.
Like the Cowboys are a bad team. The Titans are a terrible team.
Oh god.
Pats are pretty bad right now too.
Wait, who are we playing?
That's pretty bad.
We're playing the
Unfortunate.
Texans.
Okay. And Texans are alright, you said.
They're okay. They're really banged up though. They're injured. Like they got a really good quarterback. Beyond
Okay.
that, the rest of their like star players are hurt and out.
How's Aaron Rodgers doing?
Well, he got
Not
another
great.
coach fired, so he must be doing good.
Yeah. I mean,
Every game I see him playing, he's just like struggling. But it's not him. He's just getting let down by his team.
yeah, he's well, they brought Devontae Adams back to. He's on the same team again, so I
Right.
think things could
Saw that.
change. Garrett Wilson's pretty good on the Jets. He's a good wide receiver. I don't know.
You think Gary V will ever buy the Jets? You know, like that story.
Uh-uh.
Oh,
Who's
okay.
Gary V?
The family that owns them, I don't see those guys selling it right now. Do you?
I wouldn't sell a New York
I have
football
no
team
clue.
ever.
Is it
If
Woody
I-
Johnson?
Value just
If I owned
value
either the
just
Giants
shifted
or the
down
Jets.
a little bit on NQ.
Yeah,
I
it's
think
just
we
gonna
go down
bounce.
here.
I mean, I hope it bounces along from 85, but I don't like the fact that value shifted down. I would have liked to see us reject below 80 or reject the rotation below 80, come back up, and then rotate like 220.
Yeah,
But
Rice. It
ain't
is
gonna happen.
ugly. It is
I
ugly.
think IB's inbound.
Ain't gonna
Which
happen.
one? Are you still short, Dave?
Yeah, I'm still in it.
There-
I was
there
gonna
is-
let it
There
ride.
is zero reason to ask Dave if he's in a trade. The answer is always yes.
I didn't know what direction, because he was short a minute ago, but he could be long now. Okay? It's important to clarify.
I mean, it's
Dude, the YM is just ripping.
Yeah.
You should go down.
Should and will
No,
are
'cause
two
the NQ
entirely different
it's-
things.
Look,
Yeah,
The
because
one's got Nvidia in.
I mean, look
Don't
at
say
these
the
wicks.
deal.
Look at these wicks to the downside.
brutal, such brutality.
Don't
It
say
is
the D
choosing
word
violence.
right now.
It is choosing violence today.
Oh yeah, I mean, maybe this afternoon. I'm not seeing any kind of violence whatsoever, other than if you're involved in a trade, account wrecking violence. They're just hunting stops right now.
All it's doing. What a tight little band. It's ridiculous. This is like
Yeah.
tradable, except I'm in one.
Yeah, I got nothing.
I could have got out for 10 points 3 times now, but I felt strong about it. Yeah, I'm not gonna pine away about it, but just an observation. But I still felt strong where I was going.
I could have been up like $3,000 if I had just not set a break even and taken the ES long. The ES long is still paying.
Wow. There's Phoenix. Phoenix is getting
I'm
Short
short
NQ
NQ
and
and
long
long YM. All right.
Where are you long YM from? Because it's been like straight up, except for the first 10 minutes.
He's probably long from the top.
top rope.
Long from the top.
This is just.
All right, NQ's got to do it soon. If it's gonna
Gonna do what?
go up.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
you're still in your long, aren't you?
Yeah, from 85.
Yep. And I'm in my short from 88. That's funny.
Electric.
I love it.
Sorry to take the fade.
I think you might be onto something here, Paul.
I think you
I
both
don't know,
could
dude.
win.
We haven't moved. We've gone
Like
nowhere.
Gone nowhere in 20 minutes. Wow. Oh,
Yeah,
Yeah, I just
I
don't
think
know.
you'll be both up 5 points and both down 5 points every 10 seconds.
That's what it's been so far.
Yeah.
Right. Palm
You
should
ain't
take his
lying.
now, and then when it dips down, oh no, it's gonna take me out.
I'm
Palm's
not
on
gonna
it.
lie. I
No,
have my
don't worry. It will
targets set
reject
for
on
IVA.
VWAP and come back.
IBH?
Yeah, I don't know
I
how I
think you
feel
might
about
have a
that, but that's just where I have my target for now.
Value my sanity.
Mason just put a poll up. Are we green, red, or patient?
Paul's got it.
The third option is I value my sanity. It's
you
green,
gotta say
red,
that.
and then I value my sanity.
All right, at this point, so I'm not gonna go break even. I learned my lesson, but I am gonna tighten my stop a little bit so that if it does come back on me, I'm not taking 20 points of heat.
I'm giving myself 12 points, and it's about ready to pop me out. That's
All
not
right.
The ES
Guys,
is-
I have been in that trade for far too long. I took a stupid entry and then I added, and now I am finally out of the trade and I made a total of, drumroll, $3.
This is
Let's go.
This could have been
Dude,
the
the
dirtiest
Russell
thing
short's
ever.
paying, too.
It top ticked me out and then went down. This could be the dirtiest thing ever right here.
Guys, you need your first
Actually.
names on screens. Top is myself, which is Nimkins, or my name's Nima. Below me is Palmetto. Below him is DJP or Dave. And at the bottom it is Wesley, whose stream it is, who's on every trading
The
day.
CEO. We're not
Yeah.
gonna put Wesley's name. It's just gonna say CEO.
CEO. And I would like to say I have been on the stream 5 out of the last 6 streams for some reason.
Yeah.
What do you
Because you
mean?
barge,
I don't know,
because
how
you
does
barge
that
in.
happen? I know. Sabotage
No,
all my
like-
streams.
You're on a.
I don't
of
know
the
how it
last
happened for
streams in
some
general, or
reason.
the last trading with the boys streams.
Brendan, if you join the
Somehow-
Discord, you'll get to know us all. It's a very
Significant.
tight-knit community.
Oh my god.
All right, I won't ask the question.
Wait, what question?
I'd consider taking profit here, Paul.
I just asked Nima something and he ignored me. It's all right.
Oh,
Wait, what did
jeez.
you ask me? What did you ask me? It's fine.
The last 6 streams in general, like even the ones that were supposed to be just Wesley, or the last 6
Yes.
trading with the boys.
No, I was on today. The only stream that I've missed since the last Trading the Boys, I was on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I wasn't on yesterday, and I'm on today.
What was the
you,
second
you were on 4 days this week, Nim.
one? What was the one that came after Monday?
Tuesday, I was on that because it was your showcase was on.
Tuesday.
Here we
Chu-
go.
Your showcase was
Tuesday.
Yeah.
It's
no, so it was
Tuesday.
your showcase. Your showcase was Monday, was it?
Yeah.
Then Tuesday, the market was doing nothing. Wesley took a banger trade, and then he just had me on afterwards. Then
Excellent.
Wednesday was my showcase.
Okay.
And then yesterday I was allowed unpaid day off.
Nice.
Unbelievable.
David's beer o'clock. Yeah.
It is beer o'clock. I'll be on the golf course here.
I was about to say,
I
Dave,
don't
you've
like
already got the
NQ.
Q-zip locked and loaded.
Yep.
I don't like. I'm closing my NQ long. I don't like us rejecting 200 like that. That needed to be a clean move through.
It had to be clean. You're right.
That's a kind of significant low volume area.
Okay, so everyone's either red or I value my sanity in the poll.
Yeah, green is
Not big.
is a rarity.
Grand total of 200 beans today.
There you
Better
go.
than me. I'm up $27.
Green is
Yeah.
green, sir.
Palm, this thing's
Green
gonna just
is
slow
green.
grind higher right now.
Yeah. That move through 200 for me to want to be in that needed to be clean. Like it needed to be almost instant.
No ICT stream, Fletcher. Okay.
Oh, Dave and Fletch stream coming soon to a
Yeah.
device near you.
I mean, when me and Palm
There we
can't
go.
do it, if me and Palm can't do it, do fair value gap Fridays. With,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, Mason, what are you doing? You just put a poll out there that said, "Do you value your sanity?" And then you post
You're
your
long
long 95.
I
Take
mean,
10 points, be happy.
Oh man.
You're getting paid.
I mean,
Wait,
He
Ethan
is
wants
getting
in on
paid.
some of the ICT action. Ethan, do you trade ICT concepts?
yes, he does. Yeah. But he's
Yeah.
more quiet about
I'd
it.
actually be going.
He's
This might
more
be
he's more a
going.
closet ICT trader than someone who's out in the open.
Closet ICT trader.
Pause it.
Yeah.
Oh
NQ
my
might be
God.
doing it actually. I don't
It's gonna
regret my
do it.
close because the 200 area is very sus, but it might do it.
Well,
I
I
think-
like my 202 entry with one mini, so I'm good with that.
I think we reject point of control again, 210. and it
Oh,
slaps off
Ethan,
there.
you're a closet ICT trader?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh no.
Wild. That's wild.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I love it.
I feel there's a lot of closet ICT traders.
What if NQ just goes sideways today, like all day, sweep out IB and stay in the range?
Oh,
my God.
what's that? A big rejection of point of control again? Who would
Yeah,
have thought?
guarantee Mason just closed his long.
Yeah.
Guaranteed. With that 5-point smack. He's
I'd
out.
be kind of interested actually.
I think this thing pops.
If NQ
I've
like
been wrong all
fully
day.
just goes sideways, like if we sweep IB, sweep 250, and then reject,
I would
That'd be
be
awesome.
I'm
wrong.
here for it.
You're holding on to your trade, Mason? Oh no. Oh no.
Russell still looks extremely pumpy.
Wait, how long was the prediction? 15 seconds before we hear break even in the chat?
Let the man
on
come
for
out of the
Mason.
closet.
Do it for Mason.
No. It's difficult. It's difficult. I understand trying to tell your parents that you're an ICT trader is a difficult talk.
You don't think he made the algo though? Well, I would hope not. I would hope you would not believe that he made the algo.
My God,
Yeah.
it'd be- well, it kind of makes sense how schizophrenic it is.
Oh jeez.
Wes?
Here we go.
Wes, let's say you had a child and then they came to you one day and they said, "Look, I'm sorry, Dad, I'm an ICT trader." Would you disown them?
We're
I
going
would
up.
disown my child for being an ICT
I would.
trader.
I would. I would.
I have told
Oh.
every ICT trader that I come across, I tell the same thing. You trade whatever helps you to recognize your setup.
It's all important resistance. I'm sorry, but that's what it is.
yeah.
Ah,
I mean,
That is the
Well, yeah, but,
classic
like, that's-
coming out. That's the classic nice dad coming out of the closet speech. You be whoever you want to be. Okay. I'm
At the
disowning
same,
them. Out of my house now.
We're all
Out
trading
of
the
my
same
house
stuff.
on the streets.
Or
Oh,
he just
Lord.
marketed a different name. for all this
Yeah,
stuff.
I agree. I think that's the way to look at it. If there's a way, is that it's all like we're all trading price and volume.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
literally it. That's
Yeah.
the market.
I
However
don't- I
you
don't-
decide to quantify that and make it
Yeah.
into a framework that makes sense to you, go for it.
Yeah.
It's just like the ICT like cult members that are like, oh, he
Oh my
invented these, the
God.
second coming
yeah,
of Jesus.
yeah.
Those people are weird.
Yeah. I
Uh,
agree there.
Mason, you going to say the words?
SMT. There it is.
No, Mason, type
That's
it.
got it.
Break
Even. There we go. There we go.
This is a day to do. I don't know what. This is crazy.
It's a day for your strategy. Take your 10 points or take your 20 points and be
move
happy.
on.
Yeah.
Move on. Absolutely. 100%.
No, I can't hate on you for hoping, but it was a lot of hope. Okay.
Yeah, this is bad.
It's like hoping Dave won't take a trade in the first hour.
You know,
There's a chance.
Why am I?
There's
I'm
a
taking a lot
chance.
of grief here. I'm telling you, this is not right. It's not right at all. What's up with that?
Yes, price action today. Phil, you're causing it, okay? Don't pretend like you've got nothing to do with it.
Speaking of ICT.
You're literally running around, short to long, hunting everyone's stops.
So funny. My dog drinks a water bottle. What are you doing over there? Can you go?
All the fake Fletcher. What do you mean by all the fake BS? Like what is the fake BS?
What, like he exposed himself in the Robbins? Is that what you're talking about?
I have no clue. We'll find out.
I'm out. You almost found. You would have found my stop loss if I hadn't moved it. Moved it to a ridiculous level. You would have found it otherwise.
Harmonics and whatnot.
Yeah, but if harmonics are proving profitable for somebody and that's what they use, I'm not going to knock it.
Just how your mind works, whatever it recognizes.
Like ICT knocking another person's strategy is just as bad. Like it's just as bad.
100%.
It's just as bad. His way is not the only way. And really all he's doing is slapping his own title on already existing setups. So I'm not...
All right. I've got to feed the cat. 2 sexy's attacking.
Attacked?
Yeah, Fletcher, he's a good marketer. He is a good marketer. I will say that. He is a good marketer. NQ waiting for London close. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what we're waiting for. What's going on over there, Dave? You're muted again.
Oh, things
There you
going
go.
on in the background.
Oh, okay.
Here. Oh, NQ's just waiting for somewhere, somehow the NQ has set whatever amount of counts it wants to wreck. And once it gets that, I'm gonna go where it's gonna go.
Threshold. Everything still looks pumpy. ESYM above initial balance high, out of value, like just straight ripping. Russell's still on like the higher time frame. I have a profile that's pulled from the start of yesterday up until current, and it's still holding below that value area high area on that profile. I also just don't see a good reason to take the short yet because the intraday structure still looks very bullish. But I'm watching for the short on the Russell. I think that would be interesting.
On the NQ, look at the rejection off of 210. That's that order block.
It's point of control. Yeah, point of
You keep saying, look at this rejection, but then it's like, look at this support. That's
Move
10
10
points
points.
away.
You know what's wrecked us today is our choice in partner. If we didn't choose the NQ and just chose the YM or the ES, we could have just put a long in, had a break-even stop in, and we'd just be in Disneyland.
Yeah, ES hasn't traded its open price. Like it opened and we haven't seen it. That's just straight up.
I mean,
Very
if Wes had traded the ES today or the YM and put in a long, we might be able to ask for minimum wage.
What's the minimum wage in the UK?
We've just upped it, so I think it is £11.20 an hour. So I don't know what that is, like $15.
Let's see. The fact that that's a national minimum wage though is really good. Our national is like $7.
Right. And if you're 16 to 18, you can get, I think it's just over £10 now.
Do we bounce here again?
Again, I know, right?
I don't want to be anywhere near this. I want to go to it either goes to my levels or I just ignore it.
That's a smart move, actually, Dems.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like $15.87 in
Okay.
American.
Okay. Is that decent for American wages? For minimum wage?
It depends where you are. Like if you're in like,
Right.
I don't know what states have the lowest minimum. Like
It's
just the federal wages.
$7.25 here in Kentucky. $7.25 an hour.
Yeah, so like if you're in Kentucky, no.
$7.
Or I mean, it'd be good there.
But is that for a wage where you get tips as well, or could that just be
No,
a
that's
standard
just.
wage?
Don't get me
That's just
wrong.
straight minimum wage.
Most places offer like it's usually right
You
between
have to.
12 and 15 an hour to start out at like, like food
So what-
service jobs. Like if you're working at McDonald's or something like that.
Do you get like food stamps with your $7 wage? Because you
Oh,
need them.
You're just not.
Probably.
You're not surviving.
No.
Yeah, you probably qualify for food stamps. The state that I live in is $16.35 minimum wage.
Why do you get paid less if you're younger? I mean, because I
Experience.
guess it's like, yeah.
Experience.
I mean, it is unfair, especially if you've been like kicked out of your home or something when you're 16.
Lambra, dang, we all applying for jobs now.
Yeah,
Did you just tune in, Lambra?
This market just like killed
Yeah,
everybody.
it
They go,
has.
"Man, I gotta go
It
work."
killed our vibe. It killed our trading vibe.
Yeah, so
the
we're
AQ
now
has
looking.
destroyed the vibe.
Wes is now applying for a minimum wage job in Kentucky. Now, okay, he's done with the NQ.
The NQ has killed our vibe with this nasty chop range.
I mean,
So-
listen, you said that, Nims, but when I was hiring machinists, even straight out of trade school, they were demanding $20, $25, $30 an hour, depending on where you were.
They've got a skill though.
Well,
Yeah.
exactly. That's my point. I mean, you can't pay. Yeah, but they went to trade school. It took 2 years.
Mhm.
So
I
I believe
my first job.
100%
My
believe
first
trade
job, I
schools.
got paid £3.60 an hour working at Cafe Nero.
Yeah,
Oh my
they-
god, Cafe Nero, you guys have those?
Yeah, it was actually just as the smoking bans was like coming in, but Cafe Nero was still a coffee shop you could smoke in. So we were so busy all the time.
When I went to Warsaw, like coming up on a year ago, like 9 months ago, those were everywhere in Warsaw.
What, Cafe Neros? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're everywhere here as well. It's like the same amount as Starbucks to Cafe Nero's here.
IB's gonna get run. It wants to.
It's not
Dude,
going to get
YM
run.
is looking so pumpy.
Yeah, why are we long on those?
It's our choice of market today, or indice.
ES just tested below IBH and is reclaiming. If we close above IBH, I'm getting long ES.
Sorry, guys. I thought I heard the doorbell, but I was just hearing things.
Andrew, just shut up. Otherwise, I'm changing your Tinder picture to that one you posted last Friday in the voice in the main
We
chat.
just telling the chat to shut up all of a sudden?
Yeah.
What's going on
Wow.
here?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Wow.
Follow
Wow.
this guy.
It's a
Yeah.
bold strategy, Nimpkins.
Whoa.
Correcting my pronunciation.
I appreciate each one of my viewers.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
I appreciate each one of my viewers.
Yeah, he doesn't mind. Oh,
Someone ban that guy.
yeah, ban Andrew, Mac. That's it. Go and take care of business.
Palm reach
Damn.
up and slap him. It does. The stream does have kind of like a Brady Bunch vibe with the. With
Well, yeah, I
setup
realized that.
here.
I didn't think of that. I can reach down and pat Dave
That's
on the
funny.
head.
Yeah,
Or I
Yeah.
can reach
Look up at Dave.
I would like to congratulate myself on my market read pre-market that the market there would be profit taking and then the greedy people would just buy it up instantly, leaving us with chop.
What
Yeah, I
I
market
just
are
want to
you
get
talking
filled on
about?
my ES long, bro.
I mean, there's nothing to do here.
Nope.
I need ES to backtest IBH real quick to the tick, and then give me the no drawdown moonshot.
Boy, look at that ES. ES is clean. YM is clean.
Yeah, YM's been straight up like the whole day,
What,
except for
really?
the 10-minute view.
Hey,
take a
Phoenix, do not bring the cat into it. Okay.
Yeah,
There's
YM
lines
is-
which can't be crossed.
Clean. Ooh, we picked the
YM is straight
wrong
up.
industry.
I got to update my levels here. I haven't updated since let's see, 42, 580, somewhere around there. Yeah, this is bad. This is real bad. This is really bad.
YM new, yeah, dude. Everything but NQ new on just
Yeah.
YM. I don't think I'm gonna get filled on my ES long.
I don't think.
Do I take the Russell short because we just reclaimed initial balance?
Unless,
I mean, you can give another indice a try. I don't know. I think the
less
moves
than
are
I just
100
took
point
one
range.
short on the Russell to see if we get any rejection. Look for like 2,400 ish on the first one.
Phoenix. You're down $29. You blew an eval.
Ouch.
What, with Apex? I'm assuming, since you're calling it an eval.
RTY.
Now the real question is, Phoenix, did you use code TBM?
But Goose has a code too.
Does Goose have a code?
Yeah,
Oh, my
BBT, banana bread trades. Or banana bread trades. BBT though.
There you go.
Like one person every.
In the
every month
meantime,
will
any
use this code.
future Apex evals, use code banana bread trades. I realize it's more work.
Damn shots.
Man,
No, Nimkins, it's just your audio that's bad because of that gaming headset that you use. All right,
Look, okay. The audio quality is so good for listening to my music. and everything
Dave's
at the
got
gym.
a headset and mic from 1987 that's working better than that gaming headset you got on your head.
Yeah. I'm
It's a
going
bose, though.
chair from the
It's a
Great
bose.
Depression.
it's a booze. I have to stick wet towels under the doorway for the dust bowl.
Wow.
And I bet that gaming headset probably cost. What'd you spend on that gaming headset over there, Nims? $300, $200.
More than I spent on mine.
More.
More than I spent on mine.
More.
Trash.
Hey, I don't know what it is in America. It was I think £300.
I went short on the Russell at 2403.4.
You're short the
Oh.
Russell. Let's go.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
Everyone's audio
24.
went robotic.
I'm up.
Nobody's audio
I'm
went
Yeah,
about
robotic.
ready
thank
to get
you.
out of this.
Thank you.
Get out.
Thank you, Savvy. All right, it's not just me.
Mine
Yeah,
hasn't.
take that, Wes.
Mine
Take
has
that.
not been robotic on my end at all. Like,
I'm short from 2404.6, looking for 2400 even, because I only have one contract on. If I had multiple contracts on, I'd be looking for like the full rotation back down to like 2395.
Yeah, I've got my target set at 2398.
I know what the
Yeah.
issue is with my audio. One sec, guys. Okay, I'm just getting an error. It's basically saying that my audio's got an issue because Wes
I'm
didn't get
break-even,
the
Paul.
computer case with the anime girls on it.
what?
I
The
don't
issue
even
with my
wanna-
audio.
I mean, I can't entertain this stuff.
No, I can't either.
It's paying.
So far, yeah, I mean, need it a little bit lower. Dude, I asked Goose for advice on break evens, and his response was, "Chat, should I give him advice?" For $5, he unlocks 2 sentences.
I'm out. I took a little profit there, and I'm out.
Okay.
Just
I'm
be like,
still
yes,
gonna
you
hold
should.
it
We
for now.
just plugged your affiliate link. You should give me advice.
Yeah, facts.
We just plugged your Apex affiliate link over code TBM. You should.
Crazy. This is ridiculous price action.
Yep, we've done nothing. I mean, if you kept going long at 80 and taking it off at 200,
Yeah, you'd be
yeah.
I mean, maybe if
have
I
a
zoom in on my candles, it will show me something that I'm not seeing in this price action. Let's see.
Yeah,
Long
Simon,
long
time frame
80,
down.
long
Got that right,
80,
Phoenix.
long
Go to the,
80.
like-
Look for 15 points. Long 80. Look for 15 points.
Look at the 2-second chart.
I mean, maybe if I make
It's
the candles
crazy.
bigger.
Yep.
It's just, it's so absurd.
Mason, are the candles too small for you on where's his charts?
This 200 level is annoying.
Oh god, Phoenix, if you're a breakout trader, I'm sorry.
Annoying.
Short 6E.
411.
What's the 6?
What is 6E?
6 ES? He's short 6 contracts ES.
Wow.
Expand your. I don't know what's going on there.
Yeah, I'm confused.
confused.
I'm confused
Yeah.
as well. The chat has confused
Okay.
me.
Okay, at least it's not just
6E
me.
is euro. It's euro.
Yeah, but what do you mean?
Hi,
Yeah,
boy.
but what does short €6 mean? You've got a €6 stop
€6.
in? Are you looking for €6?
I like how Nims responds to Pie Boy now. Like he automatically knows that that's who is being talked about.
Oh, yeah. We don't choose our nicknames, and sometimes we get unfortunate ones, but we have to live with them.
Too funny.
Phoenix, you know I gave Mason the opportunity to use that. I said if he wants to use the pie photo for my trader showcase that he could, and he chose not to.
It's Euro FX.
Oh.
Short the euro, so you're long the dollar. Wait, Forex does it in pairs, right? Like it's Euro USD.
Yeah, I think it's pairs.
Yeah.
It's all
You
pairs.
can't just short it versus everything. Wow.
I remember back in the
Are
day
we gonna reject 10?
when Forex was going through its stuff, the Forex traders were slowly gravitating over to futures. And some of them were coming into TVM streams and they started referring to things as pips. And he was like, he went
Yeah.
off.
I remember that.
He went off.
I remember the Forex, right? It's funny.
Mason, that'll be reflected in your super chats once we get them.
Oh, too good.
Oh man, my super chat's gonna be wild. I have a feeling it's gonna be absurd. once that's enabled.
How many subs are you at now?
I have no idea. Last I looked, it was like 230, somewhere around there.
Okay.
Andrew,
Guys,
here-
what are we doing? The fuck is going on today? Nothing, Andrew. We're just shopping. Nothing's going on.
yeah. Ethan, TBM goes on his rants. He definitely gets it on his rants. It's funny.
Oh yeah.
It's funny. The best is when people try to say you're not loud enough.
It's always so good.
Oh,
Yo,
man,
I
I
don't
love
know.
those.
How come you're not taking any trades?
I don't know if this is real, but this is about the whole FTT thing. Some guy on, can anyone know Canadian Futures Trader? He's a dude on YouTube and on Twitter, I guess, too. He was critical of FTT from like the start, I think, and he somehow got like FTT's staff meeting transcripts.
Oh my
And
What? Really?
quote from Scott: "We just got contacted by Patrick Weiland's people, Kareem, the CIO. What does that blank blank blank? I'm not going to say these on streams in case they get monetized.
Yeah.
One, Ryan CRO. He will be the perfect YOLO influencer. Jamel tech support probably wants more money." I hope
So
there's more of
good.
these coming out. I want to read this so much.
That is so good.
Someone asked TBM once, does he know how to enter a trade?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's
It's
trolls.
so good.
There's trolls. I mean, as our channel grows, we'll get the trolls too. That's just all there
What
is
do you mean
to
they're
it.
already here?
That's right. Yeah.
Besides,
I mean, you're
besides
not
the
allowed-
one that's on Friday.
I mean, we'll get them too. I just, yeah, there's Phoenix. I'm already here. I just won't pay those comments any attention. I'm pretty good at tuning that stuff out.
All right, Phoenix, you hear that? He's not going to pay attention to us anymore.
Well-
It's too big for us.
Phoenix is one thing. Nims, you're another thing. Like it's,
Ouch.
Another
but
thing
like,
means a
but
thing
like
to be ignored.
the random
The thing-
trolls. I don't
Okay.
care about that.
Dave, what's your thoughts about long up here?
I have no thoughts on any of it.
What's your thoughts about Shaw up here?
Here's where my
Andrew,
hands
number
are
one
right here.
troll. This is guys, I don't even know what I don't
You
even know
would
what
never
to-
hear me say this again,
I don't
but
even know what to say.
don't take a trade.
Look at this.
Yeah, if Dave doesn't want to take a trade, we all know we shouldn't be.
That's right.
Right? That is a clear warning.
I mean, do we even have an 80-point range? We don't even have an 80-point range.
No. It's
No.
it's just as ugly as it gets.
Well,
Yeah, I don't even.
if
Sorry,
you are
guys,
a breakout trader,
yeah,
just leave.
I've got no recommendations right now on NQ.
There's Siri on it. It's Siri on it.
My
too.
recommendation is look at another index or look at another ticker. 'Cause
Yeah, it's brutal.
I'm seeing nothing.
Wait, I'll put in the chat. Look at these two trades, identical.
Well, guys, I might wrap it up there. We got nothing going on. I don't know
It's
what
peak price action.
I don't know what we're supposed to do. Like,
Nah.
I don't know what we're supposed to
Nah.
do.
No,
I know-
there's certain signals. If Albu is in a long, you pay attention. If Wesley
Right.
is in a short, you pay attention. If DJP says he's not going to take any trades, you pay attention.
Pay attention. Exactly.
And that, we are in that zone right now.
Yeah,
Ugly.
Short
dust.
200 noobs.
well,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's ugly.
let's just call it. I mean, there's not
Yeah.
there's not anything to see or do right here. Guys, I'll go ahead and let you talk to the chat for a few minutes here before we end the stream.
I mean, it's
I
just
need
it
the
was a
Russell
tough
to
day.
get out. Wait, what's everyone ending at? I'm up. Well, unless prior to this position, I'm up 200, but I still have an open position, so that could change.
I'm
After all of
up.
that, I'm up.
I'm up $80.
Yeah, I'm up
go.
$48 after all of that.
I am up
Go.
$27. We're all green, boys. Well done. I think we should be proud. Hey.
Massive.
Well, Palmetto, congratulations on your first win for most profit on the session.
Heck yeah.
That's a competition. Now.
I mean, I was just trying to pick you up, brother. That's all.
Thanks,
Give you the W for the day.
Thanks, Beast.
Yeah, I got you. Dave, enjoy your round of golf today.
We'll do. It's cloudy, but and a little coolish. It'll be in the 50s, but it'd be all right.
Yeah,
It'll be colder in those woods.
Nimkins, I'm sure we'll be talking after the stream. Palmetto, have fun at work if you're going to work today.
Oh, so fun, dude! So much fun. I can't wait.
Right.
No, I'm gonna go make my sandwich. I'm very excited for the sandwich. It's gonna be
Oh,
awesome.
yeah, I'm
There you
probably
go.
going to go eat something too. All right, chat.
Good
Thanks
man.
for tuning in, guys. I'll be hanging out in Discord for the rest of the day. Feel free to pop over there. We'll probably be in the voice chat, Nimkins and I, DJP, for as long as he isn't heading to the course. Palmetto rarely joins us in the voice chat, but you can DM him if you want to DM him. He'll respond or
Love
he
it.
won't.
Not that I can't.
Love it.
Well, it's not I can't. I'm at work.
Yeah, that's true.
Can't be yapping at work.
All right, guys.
True enough.
By the way, just a heads up, I will not be streaming on Monday. Monday is Veterans Day here in the United States, so I will be going and doing the Mason thing and serving some chicken and chips to U.S. veterans. So I'll be
Nice.
doing a little
Oh,
bit of
love
charity
that.
work.
Very nice.
Good
So,
job.
so
Nice.
no stream on Monday. We'll be back on Tuesday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. I'll try to contact somebody to get a guest on Tuesday as well.
Besides Nimkins.
So yeah, guys.
Yeah, not me. Not me. I've done enough.
Yeah, guys, enjoy your weekend, and I will see you next Tuesday. Peace.
Peace. Have a good one.